Do you still have dreams or a lifestyle you'd love to attain, or a business you'd like to start? Do you remember how to dream big like our kids do? Hi guys, I'm Mumbi, and today I'd like to talk about 3 reasons why people don't chase their dreams. Everyone has the ability to dream, but not everyone has the willingness to truly chase their dreams. As we grow, we often grow into the mindset that we have to work hard and we can't take chances or chase our dreams because we have to be responsible, especially if we have a family to support or a mortgage to pay, for example. Mindsets can also be established unconsciously during childhood when we hear our parents or other adults continuously saying either positive or negative comments regularly. Mindset simply refers to the established set of attitudes held by someone. Not everyone has the same mindset, and if one person is a risk taker in one part of their life, there is a chance that they may not embrace the same risk in another aspect of their life. Ultimately, the mindset plays a huge part in whether they follow their dreams or not. So I'll talk about 3 ways that mindset can sabotage your ability to dream big and chase those dreams. And the first one is you think you're too old. Age is just a number and in your mind. And if you think you're too old to do something, then of course you're not going to do it. And if there's a physical limitation or risk of doing an activity, then definitely you need to be cautious. But if you just think you're too old to do business, then think again. Do you need some inspiration? Look up the stories of Ernestine Shepherd and Josefina Monasterio. These 2 women are grandmothers who have won hundreds of trophies as bodybuilders, and they didn't let a negative mindset get in the way of reaching their goals. They started their training at the ages of 58 and 59 years old, respectively. Or Kibani Nganga from Kenya, who went to primary school at the age of 84 years when the government offered universal and free primary education, and he was finally able to go to school. This guy did not let his age stop him from pursuing his dream of education so he can finally be able to read the Bible. The second reason is you are afraid to fail. Failing and succeeding are 2 inevitable results in life, 2 opposite ends of a spectrum. If you're afraid to fail, you will never know if your idea was a good one or not in the first place. And there's a chance that you'll be haunted by what would have happened questions for the rest of your life. As the famous Thomas Edison is quoted as saying, "I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Edison is one of the preeminent inventors of our time, and if he didn't overcome the mindset of giving up or not being good enough, we probably would not have the light bulb or motion pictures cameras today. The third reason why you won't chase your dream is because you lack confidence. You'll always have that little devil on your shoulder telling you to give up because you're not good enough, or there's someone better than you, someone with more experience. No one is perfect, however, and competition in business is a sign that there is money to be made in that market. No matter what business you want to start, competition is actually a good sign. You just have to figure out how to stand out above the other competitors to win your customers. Did you know that Walt Disney was fired from his first animation job because they said he lacked imagination? And now the Walt Disney Company assets are worth, I think, about $100 billion. So much for lack of imagination. My point is, you're your own worst enemy. If your mindset is holding you back from starting a new business and achieving the lifestyle you want, I'd like to encourage you to just do it. You should do it for you, for your happiness. Do it because no one else will do it for you. Do it because doing what you love makes work more bearable. You will have the potential to earn more money. You will most likely inspire other people. So guys, don't say you're too old. If you feel afraid or lack confidence, the only way to get better is by doing it and learning from your mistakes. You can get in touch with me if you want to learn some mindset shifts that you must make in order to pursue your dreams. And there are ways to change those negative mindsets into positive ones. I hope this was useful, and if you'd like to hear more from me, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future posts.